this is the last camping spot of the trip at the Big Cypress Visitor Center. Hot, humid, sticky, wet, the Everglades.
What do you feel when you let go of the...
It's about 6:40. This could be my last day of the trip. 60 miles to get to home.
Change of pace. There are worlds out there beyond compare. Going on a journey somewhere far out east. We'll find the time to show you wonders never seen.
I went in the store and they said, hey, you gotta be wearing your mask.
Brings my soul so close to you. Why not cast your fears aside? We can laugh till we cry. There are worlds out there beyond compare. Going on a journey somewhere far out east. We'll find the time to show you wonders never seen.
Guess this signifies I'm back in Miami. Palacio de los Lugos. This place is pretty awesome.
Going on a journey somewhere far out
Beautiful Miami River.
where you'll find the time to show you wonders never seen. Wonders never seen.
That's Jack's Memorial. That's where Bob Marley passed away. R.I.P. And that's the VA hospital where I go sometimes. After 34 days of riding around Florida, I'm back in Miami in the section called Buena Vista, north of the Design District and just south of Little Haiti.
Wonders never seen. Wonders never seen. Wonders never seen. Wonders.
Home sweet home. I just got back in Miami with my roommate, Gio, good friend Michael, and they invited me to go out to Garcia's, which is a famous seafood restaurant here in Miami. I couldn't say no.